Hallo Deutsch 1, hier ist ein Video für euch über Orange. Ist Orange deine Lieblingsfarbe? Nein? Also dann. So then. Okay. Nicht. How do you tell someone that something is not your favorite color or your name is not Cordelia or a variety of things? How do you tell them? How do you set them straight? All right. Nicht is your word. If orange isn't your favorite color, you can tell someone in German by adding the word nicht. Like this. Orange ist nicht meine Lieblingsfarbe. Grün ist meine Lieblingsfarbe. Okay? Oops. Look at that. I converted it from PowerPoint and it made it ugly. There, here, hold on. All right, now we got a nice one. Okay. So, nicht. All right, let's look at some other examples. Ich heiße nicht Cordelia. Ich komme nicht aus Djibouti. Ich wohne nicht in Timbuktu. Ich bin nicht 462 Jahre alt. Ich bin nicht krank. Nicht krank. Mir ist nicht gut. Wie geht's dir? Mir ist nicht gut. Mein bester Freund ist nicht Voldemort. Mein bester Freund ist Harry Potter. Und meine Superkraft ist nicht Deutsch. Doch. Okay. Doch, by the way, is how you say yes, it is, or it is too. This is how you contradict something in German. This is very useful for you teenagers, right? You can tell your parents, doch. Okay. You didn't clean your room. Doch. You didn't do the dishes. Doch. Okay. Yeah, it's super simple. Okay, we need a word like that. All right, so basically every sentence we've learned how to say in quarter one can be negated with nicht. As a general rule, nicht goes in front of the thing you're saying no to. So not Cordelia, not from Djibouti, not in Timbuktu, not 462 years old, not sick, not good, not Voldemort, and not German. All right, but nicht can go in other places. For now, let's just keep it there because it's simple. It is after the verb, and it's right in front of the thing that we're saying no to. In quarter two, so in a week or two, we're going to start learning a different type of sentence, and there will be a different way to make that negative. So for now, enjoy simplicity. All right. There's one more thing I need to tell you about here, and that is the kind of question that you would give that answer to, like, did you clean your room, or did you do your homework, right? So most often you'd use nicht in response to a certain kind of question, a yes or no question. Okay. Yes or no questions ask for verification or confirmation of a fact. Did you do your homework? Is your name Bob, right? You say yes, it is, or no, it is not, nicht, right? The other kind of question is the one that we've been working on till now. It is how. How did you do that? What is your name? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where do you live? What is your favorite color? What is your superpower? These questions are W word questions. Who, what, when, where, how, why. They ask those things, and they ask for information, so they require like a longer response. All right, here are examples of these in German and English. W word questions. Wie heißt du? Woher kommst du? Wo wohnst du? Wie alt bist du? Wer ist dein bester Freund? Und was ist deine Lieblingsfarbe? Okay, to make these yes or no questions, we got to take out the W word. So we're no longer asking, how are you called? We're saying, are you called? Is your name Bob? So we start with that verb that means to be called. Heißen. Heißt du Bob? Okay, we start with the verb. Kommst du aus Djibouti? Wohnst du in Timbuktu? Bist du 102? Ist dein bester Freund Voldemort? Und ist deine Lieblingsfarbe orange? Okay, so W word questions begin with some kind of W word. And yes or no questions begin with a verb. Now, in English, we have this great helping verb, do. We say, do you live? Or do you go? Do you whatever. We start with do when we start a question a lot of times. In German, they don't make the present tense with helping verbs. They don't say, are you going? They say, go you. They don't say, do you come from? Or are you going to? They just cut to the verb, right? So when you start your sentence, you have to start with that verb, like kommen, kommst du. Okay. We say, do you come from Texas? Or literally, come you from, in German, you would say, come you from Texas, go you to the movies, clean you your room, do you your homework. Okay. That's a different kind of do. That means to like complete or, yeah, do, right? And in that case, it's the verb. So, yeah, machst du deine Hausaufgaben? This is another one where the conversion ruined the slide. Here, we're going to move this over like that. There we go. All right, because we need this part here. Okay, so a yes or no question in German and in English will start with the verb. Are you home? Okay, heißt du Bob? Okay, there's no W word in front of it. That's the big giveaway right there. Okay, and then you can give your nicht answer to all of those. There are all those nicht answers. All right. Have you got it? Here's one way to find out. There's an exercise in Schoology. Okay, you're going to take a look at a question. It's going to be either a W question or a yes or no question, and then you're going to pick the answer. Okay, all of the yes or no question answers are going to have nicht in them, and all of the W word questions are going to have information in them. See if you can match the two. Okay, and then I can tell you a little bit about Project Nicht, our last project of the year. All right, that will have its own how-to video. So, mach's gut. Tschüss.